We need sleep.
Yes, we do. Oh, happy 2016. January 1st.
I have a horn.
1 o'clock. That was a bad horn.
Hello, Teddies.
So yeah, I hope you guys had a good 2016.
Kisses
My
for
footage,
you.
my footage is gone, so I can't show you how mine went. But it went great. It went great. Oh well. So yeah, you have to do my outro with me.
What's our outro?
Stay fabulous and do you boo boo.
Do you boo boo?
Ready?
Stay fabulous and do you boo boo?
Okay, bye.
I'm a horn. 1 o'clock.